we're gonna connect them together using a string, a balloon string.
We're gonna do this.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Fembam and White. This is Chellen and Carson. And today, guys, we are making a balloon arch, table balloon arch that will fit on this table right here. And the materials are 5 inches.
5 inches and pink, pink balloons and like this and like that and
Pink and Caribbean blue and what I call it, rose.
And the rose pink.
Rose pink, 5 inches and 5 inches. So we're gonna inflate them about this size. This size would be 4 inches.
And guys, you know, I know lemonade because I'm wearing a lemonade shirt.
That's right.
Okay guys, my dad will deflate this now.
Inflate. It'll be to 4 inches. 4 inches, so I'll make sure they're all the same. And then tie it together. Now there's a lot, all inflated. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna attach this here. So basically, you want the same color on the opposite side.
Okay guys, now it will be like this.
It looks like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
This time using a string, we're gonna connect them together using a string, a balloon string.
We're gonna do this.
So first, tie it here. So now you just have to pull
Guys,
spiral, okay?
this will
Here.
be here. This will be harder way tomorrow.
Like that. So you have to make sure that you follow the pattern right here. Like that. So when you put the string, see how it is right here? Put it on the top one, then go to the existing one. Pull a little bit, just like that. Just keep doing. So guys, we end up using 26 just to have a perfect arch on the table. So basically, I find it easier if I put it like this, so you can really see the pattern. Guys, basically we're gonna put this like that, like on the table. You can put the cake here. So in order for this to stay like this shape, again, you need to have a water weight. You need two of this. So one on each side. I tie a string on your balloon weight. So I want to hide this. So it sits on the bottom. Okay, and we'll switch. Okay guys, this is it. This is total of 208. So 104 of the pink and 104 of the blue. So this is your table balloon arch. You can set this like if there's cake right here. And again, you can put additional decoration if you put some flowers or some other decorations like butterfly or whatever. It'll be pretty and easy to make. Right guys?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay guys, here's some option. You can add some flowers for arrangement here if you wanted to. In addition with your cake here, it will look much more prettier. Alright, hope you guys like this and don't forget to like and subscribe and make some comments. Huh?
And click the bell.
And click the bell, he said. Thank you guys.
Say please.
Say please.
And please subscribe
Subscribe.
Subscribe our video for more family videos in the next one.
Thank you very much. Bye.